Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. Continuing on with the breathing heart light display for the motorhome. I've actually got 4 of these heart-shaped LED display light units, 2 red and 2 blue, and I'll do a photograph of them. When they're illuminated, and I've used some scrap wood and made this frame, and the idea is these will be mounted in like that. Just drop them in for the time being and wire them, because you know there's electrical connections on the back and they need some form of protection. So the simplest thing is for me to mount them in this box and put a perspex front cover on, and the box is made from some wood trim and some very thin plywood, and I've just varnished it, and I need to varnish the back and the front and then do the electrical wiring, and that'll be done. This is the last part of the breathing heart display for the Talbot Express motorhome. I made this wooden box sort of thing, or compartment, for each individual heart. It's made one unit. It's not very thick, you can see it's quite thin. The reason why I've done this is because the back of these boards needs protection for the electrical wiring, although it's only 5 volt typical operating voltage. I just wanted to protect it, and what I've done, excuse the light in it, it's dreadful today, focus. I've drilled this bit of wood here and put panel pins through to make the electrical connections. So red and black from that one goes to red and black to that one, etc. Like that. And the front will have perspex on it, and this is just connected to a USB lead at the moment. It will have a hole through the back or somewhere, and I'll try and get it going for you. It's not 100% complete, but I think this is going to be the last video I do with respect to the this display. And each one of these has its own little on-off switch, so I can switch them on and off individually. Just press that one, that's a red one, blue, but I won't bother with those switches. Let's just put the light down, it gives a better effect, I think. Doesn't show very well on this camera. This is in my phone. I'm using this to film this video. And you can vary the rate of each one. There's a little adjustable control there, so you can vary the how it comes up and down. And if it's all set slightly different, it'll be like a random operation. Looks better that way. There you go, you can see it's going up and down. So thanks very much for watching this video. Appreciate your comments, and please subscribe and like.